So what makes WordPress powerful are the plugins that can be included in the WordPress system. And you can customize your own WordPress site to fulfill certain jobs, automate certain processes, and things like that with ease. So what I want to do in this specific video is just dive in and show you examples of different plugins and how easy it is to add to your WordPress site. So at my WordPress Administrator dashboard, you'll see a link for plugins. If you click on this link, you'll be able to see your existing links, and you'll be able to click Add New to find new plugins. Now, WordPress is going to give you popular tags of WordPress plugins that are available, or you can simply search using this search box. So say for example that I want a plugin that relates to images. I can simply click this link, and as you can see, these are tons and tons of free WordPress plugins that allow you to create a very dynamic site. So just a quick glance, you can see stuff like galleries, sliders, image attachments, and you can see the ratings. You can actually click details of a specific plugin and get an idea of the description, what you have to do to install it. You can see screenshots, what has been updated, and the FAQ for each and every plugin. Now, there's a difference here between free plugins and paid plugins. Some plugins cost money, many are free. So if you can't find one that's not free in this section, you can actually go to Google and simply do a search for that particular plugin. And you can also search by clicking search and typing in a specific plugin. Let's say, for example, WordPress security. Let's say, for example, we want to protect our blog. So we can do WordPress security, do a search for something that might be good for our sites. And let's say, for example, that we want to install a firewall. We can simply click Install Now. And as you can see here, WordPress will begin to download that specific plugin. It will unpack the package, and after you wait a few minutes, it will allow you to activate the plugin, and it'll install it onto your WordPress site. Now, there's certain WordPress plugins that people are not going to see on the front end, but just like a computer system, you're going to be able to install it on the back end. So sometimes it can take a couple minutes depending on how fast it downloads, but it pretty much seamlessly integrates the plugin into your WordPress system. And as you can see here, the firewall plugin has been installed, and all we have to do is simply click on activate to activate the plugin, and that's it. And if you ever want to go and find other plugins, we can simply, for example, let's say for example that I want to create a contact form. So we'll type in contact form, and all we do is click on install now and simply click on activate, and there we go. So from this point in time, I can simply go to edit the settings of the contact form, and WordPress uses what we call our shortcodes, which enables you to basically copy the shortcode, go to a specific page. Let's say, for example, we'll add a new page called contact, and simply enter the shortcode here and click on publish. So if I go to the live site and I've edited the contact form settings, simply go to the contact page, and as you can see, I've added a contact form. So as you can see, it makes your life easier as a website owner. So I could go on and on and on and show you more WordPress plugins, but as you can see, it's very dynamic. It allows you to do so much besides just a standard website.